Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete check-ins on Facebook. And here's how it is done. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Next, select See Your Profile at the top. On your profile page, tap the three dots and choose Activity Log from the menu. This will display all your activity, including check-ins, but we need to filter it to show only check-ins. Tap Activity History, Filters, Categories, your Facebook activity at the top. Then go to Post and choose Check-ins. This will display a list of all your check-ins. If you want to revisit or remove a specific check-in, you can tap on it. To delete it, just tap the three dots next to the check-in for more options, such as moving it to archive or viewing it and move to trash. And that's everything you need to know about how to delete check-ins on Facebook. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.